Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25290, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build is available for ARM64 devices, as the known issue that resulted in not releasing build 25284 to ARM64 last week has been fixed. Moving forward, and talking about the new things introduced to this build, with this build, Spotify and PhoneLink are now rolling out preview versions of their widgets. However, it may not be available to every insiders. Moving forward, and talking about changes and improvements, for Start Menu, Microsoft is starting a new exploration of badging on the Start Menu with two new treatments that some insiders in the dev channel will see. Now, talking about the fixes, in general, fix the issue causing ARM64 devices to fail to resume from sleep/hibernate, when running build 25281 and getting stuck at the OS boot logo. Fixed an issue where some insiders may have issues accessing websites and other resources via VPN connections. Fixed an issue causing some insiders to experience freezes when using the browser and certain other apps in recent dev channel builds. For taskbar and system tray, fixed an Explorer.exe crash, which could cause the taskbar not to load for some insiders. For search on the taskbar, fixed an issue where the search box would randomly disappear sometimes when you clicked it. Fixed an issue where the search box was shifting to the side slightly when you clicked it. For Task Manager, fixed an issue where the data content area of the processes page might flash once when theme changes were applied in the Task Manager settings page. Fixed an issue where some dialogues did not render in the correct theme when applied from Task Manager settings page. Fixed an issue where properties in the memory section of the performance page were getting truncated, even though there was space to display them. Reduced the transparency of graph colors in the performance page, and adjusted the borders to help make them stand out more. Fixed a few issues causing Task Manager crashes. Typing F in the search box should work again now. You now shouldn't have to make Task Manager be as wide before the navigation pane appears. If text scaling has been increased, the search box shouldn't overlap with the title bar text anymore. Made some tweaks to address cases where text in dialogues was getting cut off when text scaling was increased. Fixes an issue where certain parts of the title bar couldn't be used to drag the window. For Windows Spotlight, fixed the issue causing some people to not get a consistent refresh of images on a daily basis. For Settings app, fixed an issue where the preview for sans serif collection and personalization fonts was displaying broken glyphs. Talking about some of the other fixed issues, fixed an issue that was preventing narrator from announcing drop-down lists in Excel. Fixed an underlying issue which could cause snipping tool screenshots to become stretched out and distorted in the last few builds if you had multiple monitors. Fixed an issue which could cause a bug check with system_service_exception. Fixed an issue which could make the open with dialog crash on launch. Fixed an issue where the open file dialog would hang if you clicked it while using an email after having selected choose an app on your PC from the open with dialog. Fixed an issue which could cause Group Policy Editor to unexpectedly show an error has occurred in the script on this page, with an invalid character error when editing a group policy. If you have OpenSSH server set to start at boot, instead of manual, that preference should be remembered across OS upgrades now. Please note, you need to be on a build with this fix before it will take effect with your next upgrade. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.